In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation to the coding exercise. The question gives us a declaration, a vector of ints named integers, and instructs us to add the elements 1, 2, and 3 to it. That is part 1 of the question. The second part asks us to output each of the elements to the console, with a space between each. Recall that we can use the pushback function to add elements to our vector. Let's call the pushback function to add the elements 1, 2, and 3 to our vector. Then we will iterate over each element in the vector and output it to the console using the at function. Don't forget to output a space after the number so that each of the numbers is separated by a space, as specified in the question.